Hey guys, my name is Peter, I'm with 27 Plumbing, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a shower head. The difficulty level with replacing the shower head is dependent on exactly what you are looking to accomplish. There are three main components to consider when replacing the head. The first is the head itself. The second is the shower arm, and the third is what we call a drop ear L that's located within the wall just behind the shower arm. For the purposes of today's video, we'll just be replacing the shower head, and this is a very DIY friendly project. There is a list of tools that you'll need in order to take care of this job. We're going to show those to you now, and as always, they will be located within the description so that you can easily purchase what you need. So we don't need much for today's job. All we need is your shower head of choice, a roll of Teflon tape, and either a pair of smooth jaw pliers or you can use a crescent wrench. All of these items will be listed in the description below to make it easy for you to grab what you need. So the first thing we're going to do is take our smooth jaw pliers or our crescent wrench. We're going to grab onto the flat spot on the shower head and begin to rotate the head counterclockwise, removing it carefully as we do so. Once you've gotten it off, you may discover that there's some remnants of Teflon tape still attached. If that's the case, simply take a razor knife. You may even be able to use your fingers and unravel the tape just to get back to nice clean threads. Keep in mind that as you do remove the shower head, if it's very stiff to turn, it may be seized to the arm. If you force it, you may end up breaking the threads of the shower arm at the connection within the wall. So if it doesn't want to turn, consider whether or not this is a job that you truly are ready to take on. The next step is going to be to take our Teflon tape and wrap it around the threads of the shower arm. We're going to go counterclockwise on this. Depending on what type of shower head and connection you have, I like to go anywhere between 5 to 7 full rotations so that we can really make sure it's got a good seal. Now, if you are using a shower head that has a plastic nut, you may want to go a little bit less than this and make sure you don't overly tighten it. Otherwise, you may crack those threads. If you're going with a metallic shower head, you shouldn't have any problems. After I've wrapped the Teflon tape a number of times, I've left a little bit of excess hanging off the edge. I'll show you why I've done that in a moment. Now we're going to take our new shower head and go ahead and put it back on, turning clockwise with our tool. Now at this point, we take the excess Teflon tape and we're just going to begin to peel it off. This is going to give it a nice clean finish. If you do have any remaining Teflon tape still visible, you can always take a razor knife and clean it up with that. So now with the new shower head installed, you can go ahead and turn on the water, test your work, make sure everything's good. Couple of things to note is that if you're replacing the shower head because the previous one wouldn't shut off all the way, this may not resolve your issue. Typically speaking, a shower head that's constantly dripping is more so going to be the result of the shower valve not shutting off all the way behind the handle. This is going to be a cartridge or a stem issue. You may also want to do a pressure test on your home to make sure you don't have high water pressure that's leading to these problems. We'll be producing some videos shortly showing how to do those pressure tests. Now if you're replacing the shower head simply to have an updated look, you want better flow, or maybe it was spraying out a pattern it shouldn't have been and was getting behind the wall, those are all great reasons to do so. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave it a like. It really does help the channel out. Consider subscribing if you enjoy seeing these videos and giving you money-saving tips. And as always, feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know something that you'd like to learn so I can see about producing a video for it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.